Good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. So here we are, all gathered for this lovely evening. It is so overwhelming to see a galaxy of intellectuals, my teachers, seniors, my juniors, my beloved friends, all gathered here to celebrate this beautiful cultural night of the Foxy West Zonal Conference with UVA 2022. So right at the outset, you know what? We are here to celebrate our achievements, to admire, to acknowledge the achievements of our institution. So what better we could do? Let's celebrate our achievements. Let's start with the Young Talent Awards. So may I request all the awardees to please line up beside the stage, and I'll be calling their names. Please come forward. So I'll be starting with Bhopal Society, Dr. Swati Sharma and Dr. Shweta Agarwal. Can I have some nice music also? Hello. So from Bhopal we have 4 awardees. Dr. Anjali Kanhare, she is the president, she is not here. Dr. Mudita Jain, Dr. Swati Sharma, Dr. Shweta Agarwal. Please come up on the stage. From Indore Gynec Obstetric Society, we have Dr. Brijbala Tiwari, Dr. Jyoti Banglowala, Dr. Kanak Tiwari, Dr. Dhaval Bakshi and Dr. Anshu Basev. From Ratlam Society, we have Dr. Manisha Maheshwari, Dr. Neha Saraf. May I request all the doctors to please come up on the stage, and I would request you to stand here in a line. Thank you so much. So Bhopal is here. Where is Indore? Indore Society, Dr. Brijbala, Dr. Jyoti Banglowala, Dr. Kanak Tiwari. Welcome back. From Ratlam Society, we have Dr. Manisha Maheshwari is not here today. Dr. Neha Saraf is also not here today. Dr. Sarika Rawat and Dr. Sarita Khandelwal. Please come forward. Please come up on the dais. From Riva Obstetric and Gynec Society, we have Dr. Shail Bala Srivastav. I think she's not here. Dr. Padma Shukla, Dr. Sheetal Patel, and Dr. Sonal Agarwal. Can we have all of you here on the stage? Please can you line up a little bit here? Thank you so much. From Ujjain Obstetric and Gynec Society, we have Dr. P.K. Roy, Dr. Richa Sharma, Dr. Anuradha Pancholi, Dr. Razia Sultana. Ujjain. From Sagar Obstetric and Gynec Society, we have Dr. Jagrati Kiran Nagar, Dr. Taruna Sharma, Dr. Priyanka Patel, and Dr. Janvi Mukharya. Are you all there? Please come forward. Dr. Veera. From the Katni OBGYN Society, we have Dr. Uma Nigam, Dr. Shanu Agarwal, Dr. Nidhi, and Dr. Harsha. Hoshangabad Society, Dr. Mamta Jivane, Dr. Yamini Mankar, Dr. Swapna, Dr. Ruchi Sharma. From Singrauli, we have Dr. Mahesh and Dr. Sangeeta Prasad. Satna, from Satna we have Dr. Suman Khan. Dr. Khan, is she here? From Balaghat Society, we have Dr. Shweta Sahare. From Mandla Society, we have Dr. Rubina. And from Sivni, we have Dr. Mrinalini Jathar. Now, may I call upon our organizing chairpersons for this wonderful Foxy West Zonal Conference with Yuva 2022, Dr. Pragya Dhiravani Madam and Dr. Kavita Singh Madam to please come up on the stage. Also, I request our patrons, Dr. Shashi Khare Madam, Dr. Shirish Jamdar Madam, to please come up on the stage. Madam, you can come from here. You can come from here. Dr. Alka Agrawal, Dr. Anuradha Dang. I would request you all to come up on the stage. Thank you, madam. Thank you. I would make you do a little bit of, madam, we want all of you to give away the award to the awardees. These are the Young Talent Award recipients from the various societies of Madhya Pradesh. Please give a big round of applause for them. So, and last but not the least, I probably forgot announcing Jabalpur OBGYN Society. घर है ना मेरा. Dr. Amita Saxena, Dr. Richa Dhiravani, Dr. Deepthi Gupta, and Dr. Kaveri Shaw, Dr. Roma Nag. So, may I have all of you here, Jabalpur OBGYN Society? Please come up on the stage. Yeah, so can we have the award for the Bhopal Society? Kavita Bapat Madam, she wanted to award all the young talents of the various societies of Madhya Pradesh. She herself wanted to be here to give away all the awards to these wonderful powerhouses of the various societies. But she had an emergency and she had to leave in a rush. But I think then Madam Dhiravani, Dr. Kavita Singh and Radha Madam will have to do the honors. Thank you so much. So we begin with the awards. I'll just step aside. This is for the Bhopal Society, Dr. Anjali Kanhare, who's there from the Bhopal Society. So Bhopal Society, Dr. Anjali and Dr. Mudita are not there. So Dr. Swati Sharma and Dr. Shweta Agrawal, they'll be receiving the awards for the Bhopal Society. The Swati Sharma and Shweta Agrawal are the Yuva panel nominated from Bhopal OBGYN Society. Next is the Indore Society. From Indore, we have Dr. Brijbala Tiwari, Dr. Jyoti Banglowala. Dr. Brijbala Tiwari, can you please come forward and receive your awards? From Bhopal, from Indore OBGYN Society. Dr. Jyoti Banglowala, is she here? Achha, you will be receiving her award as well. Dr. Kanak Tiwari. So Dr. Kanak Tiwari, you please come forward and kindly receive your Young Talent Award. Congratulations. So here we have one of our patrons for the conference, Dr. Shirish Jamdar Madam. Welcome, madam. Welcome on the stage. We are actually giving away all the talent awards to all the different societies of Madhya Pradesh, which was the idea conceived by Dr. Kavita Bapat. She had to leave, so we are doing the honors on behalf of her.
Yes, yes.
Dr. Sarita Khandelwal, also from Ratlam. Please come forward, Dr. Sarita Khandelwal. You have an... Yes. Congratulations, Ratlam Society. From Riva. From Riva, we have Dr. Padma Shukla. Please come forward, Dr. Padma Shukla. Congratulations. Dr. Sheetal Patel, also from Riva OBGYN Society. Dr. Sheetal Patel. Congratulations. Dr. Sonal Agarwal. Dr. Sonal Agarwal. From Ujjain Society, we have Dr. P.K. Roy here. Dr. P.K. Roy. Dr. Richa Sharma from Ujjain. Dr. Anuradha Pancholi. Dr. Razia Sultana. Is Dr. Razia here? From Ujjain Society? Razia? Dr. Razia? Okay. From Sagar OBGYN Society, we have Dr. Jagrati Kiran Nagar. Okay. So, Dr. Alka Agarwal is going to receive all the awards. She's going to receive for the Ujjain Society. On behalf of Ujjain, she's going to receive the awards. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Thank you, President. From Sagar Society, we have Dr. Jagrati Kiran Nagar. Please come forward. Dr. Jagrati. Dr. Priyanka Patel, please come forward. Congratulations. I request you all to please continue clapping for these young talents. The energy of any association, depends on such people. We need such energetic, enthusiastic people for a very wonderful functioning of a society. So they really deserve your applause. Gwalior Society, we have Dr. Shashi Bala. Dr. Shashi Bala, please come forward. Dr. Shashi Bala. So you are receiving all the awards for Gwalior. So Gwalior has the Young Talent Awards. Recipients are Dr. Shashi Bala, Dr. Preeti Gupta, Dr. Dandotia and Dr. Kanti Laharia. Next is Katni. So next is Katni OBGYN Society. Dr. Uma Nigam, please come forward. Congratulations. Please. Dr. Uma, can you just come? Dr. Shanu Agarwal. Dr. Shanu Agarwal, she's also from Katni OBGYN Society. Dr. Nidhi Bajaj, very, very enthusiastic gynecologist from Katni, Dr. Nidhi Bajaj. Dr. Nidhi. Dr. Harsha, also from Katni OBGYN Society. From Hoshangabad Society, we have Dr. Swapna. I think Dr. Shruti is here. Dr. Shruti, she will be receiving the awards on behalf of Dr. Mamta, Dr. Yamini, and Dr. Swapna is also here. Yeah. So Dr. Mamta and Dr. Yamini's awards will be handed over to Dr. Shruti. And Dr. Ruchi Sharma.
Yes, ready? Get up. Get up.
From Singrauli OBGYN Society, we have Dr. Mahesh.
Yes.
So this is what happens when there are too many awards going to one society, right? Congratulations, Hoshangabad.
Ready? Yes.
I cannot hear your applause. Listen, there's a lot of things that's going to happen in the evening. A lot of josh is required. So let's start clapping, please. I can't hear. Zor se. Thank you. So from Singrauli, we have Dr. Mahesh. Congratulations, doctor. From Satna, we have Dr. Sushma Khan. Congratulations, Dr. Khan. From Balaghat, we have Dr. Shweta Sahari.
Ready? Ready?
From Mandla, we have Dr. Rubina. Congratulations, Dr. Rubina.
Yes, yes, madam.
From Sivni, we have Dr. Mrinalini Jathar. From Jabalpur, the host society for this West Zonal Conference, we have Dr. Amita Saxena, who's president of Jabalpur Obstetric Gynec Society. Amita madam, please come.
Yes. Yes, yes, okay.
Dr. Richa Hirawani, she's done. Dr. Deepthi Gupta. Dr. Kaveri Shaw, Dr. Roma Nag. Isn't it amazing to see these wonderful awardees, vibrant people on the stage? Please, please, please put your hands together and a loud applause for them. May I request Dr. Kavita Singh Madam to say a few words to these awardees? We need a few words of your inspiration. They are powerhouses, energy, so they are of course, but they need more inspiration from you, Madam.
So on behalf of West Zonal Conference with Yuva 2022 and this particular Young Talent Award, this is the idea of Dr. Kavita Bapat, but it came through Kavita Singh. So the name is common and the pride is common and the love and affection is common. As far as what we are looking forward from you, all young stars, see, let me tell you all that OBGYN specialists like me, Dr. Pragya Madam, Dr. Khare Madam, Dr. Sneh Madam, Dr. Alka Madam, we had done our innings, whatever best way we could have served. Now the battle of MP is with you. You know, so you have to keep this baton. हाँ, अपना बिल्कुल याद भूलने का नहीं है. हाँ, MP हिंदुस्तान का दिल है और दिल इतना मस्त धड़कना चाहिए, बिल्कुल 120-80 पे. हाँ, ठीक है. तो वो वाला बिल्कुल अपना ना नीचे अपन को ब्रैडीकार्डिया ना ट्रैकिकार्डिया और 120-80 एंड लॉन्ग रन. तो ये ध्यान रखना है. और आप लोग सब बहुत खूबसूरत काम और बहुत अच्छा काम करें. और मुझे लगता है अवार्ड क्या है एक्चुअली लाइफ में. अवार्ड ईश्वर ने आपको OBGYN कंसल्टेंट बनाई, इससे बड़ा कोई अवार्ड नहीं है. इससे बड़ा आपके लिए कोई अवार्ड नहीं है. आपका असली अवार्डीज आप द डे टू डे वर्क विच यू डू. सो दैट इज़ योर अवार्ड. बट व्हाट इज़ दिस? दिस इज़ अ लिटिल अप्रिसिएशन फ्रॉम वी सीनियर्स दैट वी वांट टू we look at you actually. We look at you taking the baton high and keeping the MP shine. And when I say MP, it is not MP, it is all over India. हम लोग सेंट्रल इंडिया को represent करते हैं. तो जो बाहर से जो नेशनल फैकल्टी आए हैं, भाई देखो हम पूरा हिंदुस्तानी, वो उसके लिए मतलब अल्टीमेटली व्हाट हैपन्स, इट इज़ द इंडिया शाइन्स. सो इंडिया शाइनिंग वाला अपना चीज़ छोड़ना नहीं. So with this, heartiest congratulations to you. God bless you. Rock the show. Thank you.